What's up, La Familia, Entrepreneur Nation? We got our own apartments, but we started in the basement. Don't go anywhere, because in this video, we're going to be talking about passive income, and we're going to show you the exact methods that we're currently using to generate $16,000 in 26 seconds every single day.
Bullshit.
Roll the intro. Okay guys, if you don't know who I am, my name is Andrew Alvey.
Who cares?
So the most important thing here we're going to do is jump right into this computer. We are reviewing the 7 best passive income ideas. I've already made a video covering all 7 of these items as a complete video. Now I'm going to be breaking each one down into the exact method so you guys can figure out what works for you and go out, create passive income. Today we are talking about online courses and info products. We're going to jump right into the whiteboard for this one because this is a doozy. So what you guys need to know about online courses. This is what I do, is I find people that are in the sales niche and they basically are killing themselves working 60 to 80 hours a week. They want something better. They know there's something better out there for their life. They know, well, I can do sales. I understand the power of, getting paid what I'm worth, but I need to leverage. We need to leverage their time so we can make more money. So the first step that I tell anybody who's just starting out, coming from a normal job, is to find what they're passionate about, create an online course or an info product. Now, you may be saying to yourself, Andrew, I don't have anything to sell. I'm not a teacher. I don't have a course. I'm not cool enough to think of something. And that is where you're absolutely 100% wrong. Keep in mind that there are so many different things that you can offer. Why is everybody watching YouTube these days? They're trying to figure out, well, hey, how to tie my shoes, how to make a peanut butter jelly sandwich, SEO, marketing, Facebook ads, Shopify, start a business, create an LLC, stretch better, yoga, workouts, diets. The world of online education is exploding and you need to get behind this wave, okay? First off, what you're gonna do, if you're not a salesperson, that's completely fine. We're gonna show you how to do the same process. If you are a salesperson, even better, because you can understand the concept of taking your short little sales pitch you're gonna do, putting it online, automating it so it works 24/7, never takes a break, never wants a raise, never has a sick day, constantly working every day. All right, so step 1, this is our system right here. You start with a page that is an opt-in. It's telling the customers to get some secret and all they have to do is put in their email. Now, if you're wanting an example, this is my specific opt-in. Stupid simple, just put in your email address. We're gonna send you some cool, new, secret, viral, powerful system. That's step 1. Now, step 2 is you take them to a sales page. Now, this is where things get interesting. This sales page is literally going to be a $7 to $37 product. And the only goal of this page is to simply say, hey, that free item that you just ordered is on the way, come into your inbox. But if you're interested in that, we have this special offer for you today, and it's gonna be on blank. Whatever it is that you're talking about, whatever it is that you're passionate about, this could be a $7 offer, this could be a $37 offer. I've done both, they convert very well. You just have to find what it is for your market. So this is a quick example of the sales page. So right after that free opt-in, they come to this page. I simply say, hey, what if instead of just teaching you and showing you the system on how to make all this money, I actually just give you the system? And you scroll down here and yes, it is $19, okay? That is my sales page. Now, this is where things get interesting. After this sales page, it is amazing because you now have the option to keep selling them. So this is where things get really interesting. You just showed the customer, hey, I know that you have this problem. You just bought this to solve it. That's done. Now let me take you to this next page. You're gonna have this new problem because of this thing that you're doing now. Let me show you how to solve that. So you offer them an upsell. Keep in mind, this should always be something logical that follows the same train that they've already been going on. The free item, the sale, to the upsell, it should all be in the same line. So in my case, I teach them with a video training on how to make money online. Then I give them the system that they're gonna need after, if they're interested, to make money online. Then after that, I offer them direct access to me to ask questions when they get stuck and they need help. Let's check out that page now. So this is all it is. This is the simplest thing in the whole entire world. After that page of $19, they come to the upsell page, which just says, hey, wait, add unlimited coaching, email and text message. You're gonna need it. Click down below, one-time offer, and get that unlimited coaching for only $57. This is the first upsell. All right, so you guys see how this is coming together. Now the next step is another upsell.
Another one.
What we just did was we built a funnel. Now a lot of people say, well, wouldn't people be upset if you offer them something and then right away after that you offer them another product?
Another one.
And then after that you offer them another product?
Another one.
Not if the product is complementary, meaning if it helps them achieve the goal that led them to buy in the first place. So let me give you a quick example. Think about it this way. I give you a free cheat sheet to lose 10 pounds in the next month, okay? Now that's free. You click that, you get the video training, the cheat sheet, and you read it. That's amazing. After you opt in, I take you to a page where I simply say, well, I know you wanted to lose 10 pounds. What if I can show you our method that we use in our community to have people do this in 1 week? That is a $17 product. It's down below. I am helping them achieve the same result they wanted, but faster in less amount of time. Now on my upsell, I may go to the point as to say, hey, now that you've gotten that system that you can do this in 1 week, how about we show you how to eat healthier so now you can keep the weight off? Because once you lose this weight, now you're gonna have the issue of having to keep it off. Here is a special video course that is 10 videos long. It's gonna show you exactly what to do to keep that off for the future. Click down below, $47 one time. And now finally on the last page, which is upsell number 2, I'm gonna offer them, say something, hey, now that you've learned how to lose weight and you've gotten all the products and resources you need to actually keep the weight off for the long run, now I'm gonna offer you one-on-one coaching with me, direct access, so I can kick your butt into gear and make sure you actually implement this. This is a one-time charge of $297. Now you may not need this. You may be the type of self-motivating person that can lose that weight and keep it off by themselves, but now that you've already invested in those first 2 things, don't you think it's worth $297 one time to have me as your coach to jump on a call every single week with you, to be able to text me, email me, and make sure that you are staying on schedule and we get you to your goals? That is a one-time offer down below. Bam. That's the end of it. That's how simple this process is. So always remember, the customer is not done buying until they say so or until you piss them off.
Now I don't care who you been dealing with today. You gonna talk to me with some respect. Okay, my son is standing right here. Okay, you talk to me with some respect.
You piss them off by one, offering too many upsells. Typically, we find that 2 or 3 is the max that we will offer because we are helping the customer achieve the goal they want. So they usually do not get offended. I stick to 2, a sales, 2 upsells, that's it. You can do more if you're more experienced, but in the beginning, I would typically go with 1 if it's your first time ever. And if you're more experienced or you just want to step out on a limb and offer more products, 2 is the max. Now, you see how crazy this system is? All we did was build a funnel. We're helping a customer achieve a certain result, where all we focus on is once this system is set up, that is your funnel, okay? Now, once that's finished, you're just simply sending customers, you're getting leads on the front end to your free product. Now, what happens is a certain amount of those leads are going to buy your offer, okay? Now, once those leads buy your offer, some are gonna take the upsells. And then at the end of this whole thing is how you get your money. All you have to focus on is sending leads. I just showed every single one of you guys how to make a website selling a product where you put a video of yourself on this second page, okay? Boom, video with a button to buy. You put a video of yourself on this third page with a button to buy. You put a video of yourself on this fourth page with a button to buy. I just showed exactly all of you how to take something that you are passionate about, record a video about it, put it onto these pages, and actually help people and change their lives while at the same time cashing out. So what you'll notice is that original offer could be $7. Whatever it is, you want to over deliver so much value to really reinforce that when they purchase something from you, they're going to get tons of stuff. So you're making this offer $7. That is your initial sale. But what ends up happening is your average customer now is worth so much more. Now what we just did is we took that $7 customer that got something from us for free, was going to pay $7 for that extra product. We're offering them these upsells, and what happens is now our average customer is $97. We just took a $7 customer and turned them into $97. I teach people how to make money online, and they always ask me, well, what am I going to sell? I don't have anything people want to learn from me. You have something that somebody will pay $7 for, and if not, you need to go back to the drawing board and figure out what is it you're passionate about. The number one way that I help people is by telling them what is something you could talk about for 30 minutes without ever having to prepare? You're just put on the spot and you got to talk about it. For me, it's internet marketing. It's systems like this. I just draw out and it's completely ready to go. It's on my head. I'll talk about it all day long. I'll bore the crap out of you. Well, not you, because you like this kind of weird shit. So what is it with you? Oh, I'm all into fitness and goals and muscles and this. I'm all into dieting and detox. Whatever it is, find what you're passionate about, because those are the things that when you make the videos about, you can help other people. That is the type of market that you need to be in. I just created a system that complements itself while giving the customers plenty of value and showing that I am here to actually help them achieve their goals. This is what you need to focus on. You build out this system one time. We're not talking selling $1,000 courses. You can get to that down the line. There is a $97 to $997 option here. I know a guy who is literally making $4,000 a day. He was teaching people how to play Farmville, you know, that Facebook addicting crappy game. He was teaching people how to play Farmville. He said, get your free PDF on how to play Farmville better. People would get that PDF like crazy. They would go into it. He would then sell them a $37 course to an upsell. This is all he did, was this exact system, making $4,000 every day, just sending people to a free opt-in page like this. He now does World of Warcraft, the exact same thing. So the next time you think you can't teach somebody something, you can't put together a course, you do not have to be an expert. You just have to be passionate. That is the biggest thing. You're doing exactly what I'm doing right now. If you're passionate about it, you're going to put together a system like this. It's going to work for you, whether you're asleep, whether you're awake, whether you're sick, whether you don't want to show up that day. You have a sales process that is working for you. You are leveraging the internet. You are leveraging time, and you're able to sit back and make money while you sleep. That's the end of the video, guys. You better get used to it. Passive income online is a thing, and if you're out there, you're working a ton of hours and you're trying to find a way to create freedom, this is the #1 way that I teach my students exactly how to start and make that money online. All right, guys, that's all we have for the online courses and info products. If you guys like this video, you got a ton of value. If you have other questions, make sure you leave them down below in the comments. If you guys are interested, I'm going to put the playlist at the end of this video with the other best 7 passive income ideas. If you are a beginner, this is the one I recommend. Make sure you like the video. YouTube loves it. I love it. And most of all, hit that subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, and we'll see you in the next one. Andrew Alvey out.